Hey everyone, thanks for staying with us. 9:24 on this Saturday morning, and we're joined now by Sloan Eberly from the Imagination Station. Good morning.
Good morning.
So what are we doing?
Before it falls over here, I want you to notice we have an egg balancing.
Yes, you never see that.
And tomorrow is the vernal equinox. It's the first day of spring. And so when I was a kid, I always heard you can balance an egg on the vernal equinox.
Oh, so you have magic powers then, because it hasn't happened yet.
Exactly. So that's what we're proving today. It's just a myth. So if you want to grab an egg there and see if you can get one to balance.
Okay. Do I do anything special?
It's kind of difficult to do. The awkward shape of the egg makes it somewhat difficult. But this whole superstition arose, it's from Chinese folklore, and it's that whole idea of the egg as a sign of fertility.
Okay.
And so, you know, the beginning of spring, the birth of nature again, that's kind of where it came from, and that all the forces are balanced. But we can prove right here that it's a myth. Nicely done. So there we go. We've disproved that superstition.
Okay.
So that's one thing you can try at home with some eggs if you're about to whip up your omelet for the morning.
And if you have some extras on hand, because I think you'll probably break a couple.
Exactly. Well, we may definitely break a few eggs here with our next experiment.
All right.
So we have a beaker filled with water here, and if anyone was trying this at home, they could just use a cup, fill it with water about halfway. Okay. We'll put a pie pan on top here. All right. And then we'll take a toilet paper roll. Okay. Now the key is I want to line up my toilet paper roll with my beaker of water here. So get that nice and lined up. Looks all good to me. And we did such a nice job. I hate to move these, but I will. Place the egg right in the top here.
Whoa, you're getting fancy.
I know. Now, have you ever taken like a karate class or anything?
I can't say that I have.
Okay. Well, this will be
my first right here. Okay.
So what we're doing is you're gonna hit our pie pan with a lot of force. All right. But we call it the chop and stop because you need to chop and hit it, but you want to stop. You don't want to follow all the way through or else you'll get in with the egg and the beaker of water and we'll make a big old mess. All right, so I'm just going to hit it and this is going to fly out, maybe? We'll see what happens. If you do it right, we'll see what happens.
All right, ready?
Are you, go
this
from,
way? Okay. Yep. And just hit it and then stop.
Hit it hard and then stop.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, nicely done. So what happened was we had a whole bunch of inertia going on, right? Yeah. So you took that pie pan, you sent it in that direction. It took the toilet paper roll with it because it was nice and concave. Now the egg had its own separate inertia. So you weren't exerting any force on the egg. So the force of gravity was the only thing acting upon it. It fell right in the water. And dropped some of the water out. Okay. Exactly. Do you want to amp this up and try it? Oh man. Okay. Try it again. All right. All right. So we'll try it again here. This time we're going to do 3 eggs. All right. So we'll line this up here, grab our toilet paper rolls. If you want to plop out 3 eggs for us. And alignment is key with this. Oh, great. Now kids, if you want to try this at home, I would suggest you try it outside. The other trick is you don't want to put the egg upright in the toilet paper roll because it'll kind of get stuck in there and then it'll keep moving. So put it right on its side. All right, you do that and I'll do my chop. We're almost out of time here, but I will do it quick. Perfect. All right. So this time you're going to want to hit it really hard. Okay. All right, you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ah! Well, we had one on the floor, but that wasn't bad. I'm impressed. All right, sounds good. Well, Sloan, thanks so much. This is definitely something you could try at home, especially with the equinox coming up. There we go. Vernal equinox. Thanks so much. That's today's Imagination Station, and imagine it. And